Okay guys, so moving on to Christian Dior. Christian Dior.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about a feature.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kelsey and I'm back at it again with another video for you guys. So for today's video, it is all things luxury and I'm so excited guys because if you know me, like I love luxury stuff. I do a little bit of luxury videos here and there. I sprinkle it in on the channel because I love it. So for today's video, I decided that I wanted to do my luxury wish list. It's not necessarily my 2021 luxury wish list, but it is things that I really want and eventually will get one day because I'm working towards that. Anyway guys, if you are interested in seeing some of the things on my luxury wish list, please continue watching. If you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below and click that little bell button so you're notified every time I post a video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we're just gonna dive right into this video, starting off with the very first things at the tippity top of my list, and that is some jewelry. The first thing that I would absolutely love to have, and it's been on my wish list for a very long time, is the Cartier Love ring, the Cartier Love bracelet, and then the Cartier little earrings. They're like super tiny. They're very, very cute. So those three things have been on my luxury wish list for a while now, and honestly it doesn't matter what order I get them in because I want all three of them, so it really doesn't matter which one I get first. I'm huge on rings, so like maybe I would start with the ring first, but it honestly doesn't really matter. I would get either one first. Sticking with jewelry, my next piece of jewelry that I would really love are the Chanel CC earrings. I know these are a fashion piece and a lot of people say they're not worth the amount that you're paying because obviously it's just fashion jewelry, it's costume jewelry. So I know a lot of people talk about that and I've watched a ton of reviews, but like I just think having one Chanel CC earring, I wouldn't go and splurge on like multiple pieces because I know it's not really worth the money, but I want one Chanel CC. And my last jewelry piece that I want to talk about is the Dior rings. There's this one specific Dior ring that I absolutely love. I'll insert a picture of it. I want this so badly and it's actually not that expensive. Like it's expensive for a ring, but it's not that expensive. But it is super cute. It actually comes in a collection that has the matching necklace and it also has the matching bracelet as well. Again, I'm not huge on necklaces and stuff, so I probably would just stick with the ring. The bracelet's also really cute, but for now, the ring, oh, I love it. It is absolutely gorgeous and fingers crossed that's gonna be like my purchase very, very soon. The first brand, which is the top of my list brand, which is the brand I want so badly, is Chanel. I love Chanel, and the first major thing that I want from there, or the biggest thing that I want from there, is the Chanel Classic Flap in the medium size. I am obsessed with the classic flaps. I'm not sure if I would want lambskin or if I would want it in caviar. I'm not too sure yet, but I just know classic flap medium size is what I want. And color wise, I'm gonna insert some of the colorways that I really like. For my very first bag, I know a lot of people tend to go with like black, but for me, I want it to be either like a nudie beige or a brown or a light pink or a white. I know, like first bag you're like, bro, those are some colors, but I am like a color person. I actually don't even own any black bags because I'm not a huge fan of black bags. So my first Chanel, if I'm spending that much, is gonna be some type of color. I'm not really too picky on the color. I just know that I don't want it to be a black bag. So. The next one that I really like from Chanel is the Trendy CC bag with the top handle. I love that bag. I think it is gorgeous. It wouldn't be my first Chanel bag. I'm saying the classic is the first one that I ever want, but I would also really love a Trendy CC. And the last thing that I want from Chanel currently in this present moment is these Chanel sneakers. I think they are gorgeous. I actually saw them in the Chanel in Yorkdale a few weeks ago and I was gonna go try them on, but when we got there, the woman said that the lineup was a 3-hour wait, and I was like, there's no way I'm spending 3 hours when I know I'm not even gonna get it. So I ended up leaving and I didn't get to try them on, but this is what it looks like. There's two colorways that I really like, so either or I would be super, super happy with. All right, so moving on to Hermes. Hermes, I have two main things that are on my list. I obviously would love an Hermes bag, an Hermes Kelly preferably, but obviously you gotta work your way up to that status, baby. So we're gonna start small. What is currently on my Hermes wish list is the Click H bracelet. I think those are absolutely stunning. I love white, so I'd probably get it in a white or in a color, again, black. I don't gravitate towards black quickly, so I would probably most likely go with a color with that. I probably would want the thinner band versus the thicker ones because I've seen some of the thicker ones and my wrists are not that big, so like I don't want anything that's gonna take over pretty much my whole arm. So I'd probably stick with the thinner bands and I think it's absolutely stunning. My next thing that I really like from Hermes is their Oran sandals. I think those are so stunning. They're very clean and like they're very clean and simple, but they look really nice. I would probably get it in one of like their summery colors. So like an orange or a pink. I think those colors are so beautiful. Okay guys, so moving on to Christian Dior. I love Dior, guys. There's so many things in Dior that I want, but I narrowed it down. My wish list is shrunk. So the first things that I really like from there are their Dior slides. They are so cute. There's a couple different colorways that I like and I wouldn't be mad about any if I got one of them. It's really fun because their slides are very out there and they're very over the top and I like that. The next thing from Dior is the Dior saddle bags. I am obsessed, guys. If you know me, I love the shorter bags. The ones that just sit right under your armpits. I love those. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. The saddle bags, I love how different it is. The shape of it is just stunning and the colorways that Dior has them in as well is really, really nice. And the last bag from Dior that I really like is their Diddy Dior's. I love this bag, but the thing is, at first, when I first saw this bag, I was not a huge fan. I thought it was kind of stupid and I just didn't get it. But as I kept looking at it, because I go on the Dior website all the time, as I kept looking at it and as I kept looking at it, I'm like, this bag is actually really good, cute. Like it's super cute and it's nice for like a classic night out. Like you're traveling, you can take this bag. It's super cute. So I really alright guys, we're moving on to my last two brands that I'm going to be talking about. The next one is good old Louis Vuitton, and Louis Vuitton has been hit or miss with me for a while. Like I was obsessed with Louis Vuitton and then I was like, okay, there's other brands that I really like, and then I was obsessed with Louis Vuitton again and then I was like, okay, there's other brands that I really like. So it's been hit or miss with me for a while. I don't know why, but one of the bags that I really like is the Montsuri BB backpack. I think I pronounced that correctly. This bag is so gorgeous. I love it. I was a huge backpack type of girl, especially when I'm traveling and stuff like that. So I just think this is perfect for that. Also, when you go to like theme parks and stuff in the summer, this is just great to like lug around on your back versus having a purse. So also from Louis Vuitton, there's a pair of sneakers that I think are really cute. Again, I'm hit or miss with sneakers and I always want to try them on first because we're not trying to have another Gucci disaster. So I've been seeing them online and I've been debating, but I'm not too sure yet because I want to see the comfort level, because my issue with my Gucci's was the back of the heel rubbing against my, or the back of the shoe rubbing against my heel, and it was causing me blisters. So I don't want that same issue again. Okay, so that's pretty much it for Louis Vuitton. The last brand that I've been obsessed with, and I want more shoes from them, is Balenciaga. I am absolutely obsessed with Balenciaga. You guys know I have my speeds from there and love it. Best shoe ever, so comfortable. I wear it like 24/7 with every and any outfit. The other day I actually tried on a pair of their triple S's and I was like, wow, these are amazing. So I do want a pair of triple S's as my next purchase. I'll insert the colorways that I like, and then I would love another speed and maybe try the Treks. Maybe, we'll see, but definitely the speeds and the triple S's are on the top of my list right now, and that's what I've really been keeping my eyes laser focused on. With that being said, I also would love, there's this reversed sweater that they have. I know we're going into spring and summer, but it's never too late or too early to start looking for fall and winter. The one that I'm really interested in is the beige with the black Balenciaga writing all over it, and it can reverse and it's black with beige Balenciaga all over it. I'll try to find a picture of it and insert it so that you guys can see what I'm talking about, but it's absolutely stunning. I love it, and like you can dress that up and you can dress that down and it looks so good. Okay guys, so that is it for all of my luxury wish list items. Again, this is not necessarily for 2021. This is just in general things that I've really been loving and things that I really would love to have. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and click that little bell button so you're notified every time I post a video. All the links to my social medias are listed down below, so definitely check me out on there. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see